Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Gravitation, which is in your class 11 syllabus. Okay, this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2020-25. Okay, the question is: the Sun rotates around its center once in 27 days. What will be the period of revolution if the Sun were to expand twice its present radius without any external influence? Assume the Sun to be a sphere of uniform density. You are given four options: 150 days, 108 days, 100 days, and 105 days. You see, in both the cases, the angular momentum will remain constant. That is the principle behind it. So, what is angular momentum? The formula for angular momentum: L is equal to I omega. What is omega? Omega angular velocity, which is equal to 2 pi divided by t, where t is the time period of revolution, which is 27 days in the present case. When the radius of the Sun is expanded, what will be the time of revolution? That you have to find out. Okay? So I is the moment of inertia of the Sun. You are assuming that it's a solid sphere of uniform density. So the moment of inertia is 2 by 5 mr square. M is the mass and R is the radius of the Sun. So T is the time period of revolution. Let it be T1 for case 1. It is 27 days. What about T2? We'll find it. Already I told you that in both the cases, the angular momentum L will remain constant. That is L1 is equal to L2. In case 1, L1 is equal to I1 omega 1. I is equal to 2 by 5. I1 is equal to 2 by 5 m square into omega 1 is equal to 2 pi by T1. This T, what is the value of T1? 27 days. Let it be equation 1. In case 2, the angular momentum is L2, which is equal to I2 omega 2. What is I2? 2 by 5 into m into r square. Instead of r square, the radius becomes twice. So you put 2r the whole square. Is it not? 2r the whole square. Into 2 pi. Definitely the time period of revolution will change. So you put it T2. You are going to find the value of T2 in this question. So I2 omega t is equal to 2 by 5 into m into, if you expand this 2r the whole square, 4 into r square into 2 by 8. So from this, let it be equation 2, let it be equation 1. So I1 omega 1 is equal to 2 by 5 mr square into 2 pi by 2. That is RHS of equation 1. Then RHS of equation 2 by 5 into m into 4r square into 2 pi by 2. In this equation, in LHS you have 2 divided by 5. RHS 2 divided by 5. They get cancelled. M is here, m is also here, get cancelled. 2 pi is here, 2 pi is here, get cancelled. R square is here, R square is here. So they also get cancelled. So the remaining part is, in the LHS we have 1 by T1 only. In the RHS we have 4 by T2. Okay? You are going to find the value of T2. You bring T2 to the left hand side and bring T1 to the right hand side. So when it goes to LHS, it will be in the numerator. So T2 is equal to 4 into T1. This T1 goes there, it will go up. 4 into T1. What is the value of T1? 27 days. So 4 into 27, 108 days. So period of revolution of the Sun is equal to 108 days. Option 2 is the right answer. Answer 2. Option 2 is your right answer. You will see this question. I already told you that has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2025. Okay, we will see one more question from this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.